The RGB projector. Yeah, that's right. I got a projector, but it's not just any projector. It's RGB. So we're gonna bust it open, test it out. I got a little screen for it. We're gonna set that up. It's gonna look sick. I'm pretty excited about it. Maybe watch a YouTube video, maybe play some game. It's basically a monitor review, but there's no monitor, I guess, sort of thing. So I'm pretty excited. Ownknew H6 RGB projector. Let's get it open. All right. This thing's kind of fancy, dude. Wait a minute. Look at that. Oh. So it says 180 degree. Why would you need to point the lens straight down? The world may never know, but okay, so it's got rubber feet on the bottom. Wow, it's got 1/4-inch thread so you can put it on a tripod. Okay, I'm pretty sure the speakers are in here. There's one, there's the other. I mean, where you plug the power cable into, there's your power button. It's also got autofocus. Did I mention that? It looks like there's a sensor on the back here, and then you have a headphone jack, HDMI, USB. It probably comes with the remote then, I guess. What's in here? Power cable, HDMI, remote. Wow, it's got a YouTube button. Yes! Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, and your Google Home. That's nice. So it's got built-in Google TV and voice controls. It's got autofocus and auto trapezoidal, so it automatically adjusts focus and the picture angle too. It's got a fully enclosed dual fan technology to keep it cool. So hopefully it's not too loud, because sometimes projector fans are freaking loud. So we're gonna get it plugged in. We're gonna check out the sick lighting. I'm pretty excited. Like I said, RGB projector. So we're gonna plug it in and see the RGB. And we're gonna play some game, watch some YouTube, have a good time, see what it looks like. Rainbow, if I touch it, then it change. It's like one of those buttons like the base of a lamp. Three different lighting modes. Oh, this one follows your voice, look. Ah! Wow, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Noodle Nick. It's tech review time. Wow. That's cool. Ah! And then there's this one, which is just blue, and then rainbow. Okay, so now we're just gonna turn it off. We're gonna get the screen set up, and I'll show you what it really looks like, because being like just on the bare wall isn't really a good frame of reference, I guess, for how good a projector is, especially for a $400 one. So all right, so we got the screen set up. So I got some batteries in the remote. -1 point for Ownknew for not giving me batteries. There we go. Hey, that's pretty good. I'm gonna back it up just a little bit more. Come on, Mr. Autofocus. It's doing it. I haven't touched anything. Hand off the remote. She's focusing. Okay, so the remote or the TV, whatever it is, it's powered by Android TV. Sick. So you got Google Play Store stuff, your Google Assistant. You can press the mic button for that, or you can cast to your TV. And here's the home screen. We got Netflix, YouTube. Oh, that's nice. Hey, the speakers are really good. What the heck? Not the live shark cam. Oh no, yeah, that's my, dude, I know you're not supposed to like watch everything on your main YouTube channel, but I still do, because YouTube Premium. I ain't watching no ads. Whoa, yes. It's so good. Oh, that looks so freaking good.
And I'll tell you why I'm excited. Right. Because
I'm bored now. Wow. I want to go there. Where is that? looks so good. There's no way that's a projector, dude. I don't think I've ever seen a projector this nice except like at the movies. That's so crazy. Look at that. It just moves like the trees. Sorry, is that messing up the shot? That's so sick. I just want to touch it. Man, I need to go on vacation. I need to see some stuff like this. Look at that. I'm going there one day. I'm gonna set up some Marvel Rival and we're gonna get some gameplay. I'll see you in a second. It's so weird standing playing. I'm just trying to heal, Bran. These guys doing all the work. I don't gotta do nothing. Yeah, back up, bro. What's up, dog? I got the Jeff. Bye. See ya. He didn't die. Why are they all ulting at once? Yo, yo, there's no way, right? There's no way, right? Look at her! She's following me into a cave with her ult, bro. Whoa there. Oh my god, Groot, what are you doing? You mad lad. Alright, maybe that wasn't the best play. I forgot this is a real match. Where are you? Come back here? I'm gonna go this way, I guess. Wait, they're still alive. No! Oh my god, we have to do multiple rounds. I'm about to quit. I'm quitting. All right, well, that was the Ownknew H6 smart projector. This thing's freaking sick, dude. Like I said, you guys can check out the stand too. That's not really part of the video, but I'll leave a link for it. It comes with a little bag that you could like fill it with water and then put a weight. Ownknew H6 projector. It was awesome. I don't know what else to say. Check it out, $3.99. I'll leave a link for it in the description. Definitely buy. Smash the like, subscribe, buy. Check out tech review playlist. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, Ownknew. Bye bye. Buy it. Definitely buy.